Hello, young artists, welcome back. Today, we're going to paint 6 tomatoes using rainbow colors. First, let's start by painting our first tomato with red. Red is the classic tomato color, and it looks so vibrant and juicy. Dip your brush in red paint, and let's carefully paint this first tomato. Make sure to use smooth strokes. Next, let's move to our second tomato and paint it orange. Orange is bright and cheerful, giving this tomato a fun and unique look. Use soft, even strokes to fill in the shape of the tomato with orange. Now, let's paint our third tomato with yellow. Yellow tomatoes are rare but look so sunny and happy. Paint this tomato nice and bright, using plenty of yellow paint. For the fourth tomato, let's use green. Green tomatoes are fresh and sometimes still ripening. Let's carefully paint this one with green, making it look fresh and ready to grow. Now, let's paint the fifth tomato with blue. Even though blue tomatoes don't exist, it's fun to imagine what they would look like. Carefully brush blue paint all over the tomato and see how unique it looks. Finally, let's paint our last tomato with purple. Purple tomatoes are rare, but they add a special magic to our painting. Paint it with smooth strokes and enjoy how beautiful it looks. Wow, look at our 6 colorful tomatoes. We used red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple to make them bright and fun. You did a fantastic job with your watercolors today, friends. Thanks for painting with me, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative fun. I'll see you next time for another Exceedi.